channel. So a lot of you have been asking yourself how to gift a game on Steam that you already know or that you already own. Now guys, let me answer your question straightforward. You can't gift a game on Steam. According to the Google overview over here, it says you cannot transfer or copy games straight out of your personal Steam account. Instead, you can buy a brand new game, a copy of that brand new game, and then gift it to another person. So let's see the steps, guys. It says step number 1, open the Steam app or visit the website. Step 2, search for a game that you want to buy. Step 3, scroll past the main play now and then choose library. Then step 5, in your cart, click drop down menu and you're good to go. So basically that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our videos. We shall meet.